It's time to count on the James Mathmania podcast. And now here's James.
Hello everybody, I'm James, and today we'll be learning about the volumes of cubes and rectangular prisms. We're going to have some fun. Let's go. First of all, we're going to be doing a question about cubes. It's going to be a 18 times 18 times 18 question. Get your pens out, everybody. It's time to see if we can do this. First of all, you're going to want to draw a square and then put kind of like a dash through the middle and then a dash through the side. And then you're going to want to draw 10 on the top right corner, 8 on the bottom right corner, 10 on the top right corner, but not on the side, and then draw 8 on the upper part of the top left corner, and that is it. Then you're gonna times 10 by 10 on that corner, then times 10 times 8 on the other across corner that right next to the one we were just on that made 100. Then we're gonna put 10 times 8 together on the other cross section on the down part, which is going to result in 80. And then we're putting 8 times 8 together to get 64. Next off, since we know 100 plus 80, doesn't matter which 80 you choose, it equals 180. And if we put 80 plus 64 on the other 80, it equals 144. On the 144 plus 180 equals 324 while regrouping in the hundreds place. And if you times each of those by 18, then you'll get 5,832. And that is how you're going to draw and that's how you're going to get the volume of a cube. Now time for our sponsor for today is the Super Golden Buffet in Lawrenceville, GA, aka Georgia. This person said the crab legs are on point, and that has so many good reviews. So go see the Super Golden Buffet. Now back to the podcast. Next, we're going to show a volume of a rectangular prism, which isn't too different. In this one, we're going to do 11 times 12 times 3. They're not all the same numbers like the last time, but you can do it. First of all, we're going to want to times 11 by 12. Draw that same cube that you did last time with the same kind of sideways-ish X. And same as last time, in that corner, put 10 times 10. And then on the across side where the 8 was last time, put a 1. And then on the other across side where the 8 was last time, put a 2. And then we're going to get started on this one, same strategy. 10 times 10, that same little corner, is 100. And 10 times 1 is 10. And 10 times 2 is 20 on that other little cross side from the last one down low. And then 2 times 1 on the bottom far left corner is going to be 2. And now we're going to try a new strategy. It's where draw a long sideways rectangle, not upright, sideways, and then put 3 on the end of the left side, and then draw 2 lines and partition it into thirds. Don't color anything in though. first off in the first of the 3 columns, if you're going by the left side, will be 100, and then will be 100 for that 10 times 10 we did earlier, and then it will be on the middle one of the 3, it will be 30, because of that 20 plus 10 of those answers we got from timesing earlier. And then on that 2 times 1, we're going to get 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. And now if we times those numbers separately by 3, we're going to get 396. 300 because 3 times 100 is 300. 90 because 3 times 30 is 90. 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. And that's basically it for now. And, well, for this question, there is a rectangular. This is how you do a answer with